How's it going, my boys? It's your boy Rob here, and today we are going to do an unboxing video. It's a little bit different, but at the same time, I'm just doing it just in case if you guys are curious about the product. And the product we're going to be opening today are the Nintendo Switch joycons, Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword Edition. And let me get this open. Alright, so I got it open, so let's see what's inside. Alright, looks like they're individually wrapped. Here's the left. Here's the right. Oh wow, this is actually really neat. I like how they did that with the straps. Very neat. And that's everything inside the box. It was just these items. So let's take a closer look at them. I mean, these are not really gonna go over too much. They're little bumpers. Very standard. They're just gray. The strap is probably the coolest thing about them. A nice like purple blue color. I'm not sure what it is. Basically, you know, the same thing as the handle of the Master Sword. That's the color scheme. Okay, the important part, the controllers. And they're wrapped in more plastic. Does it have any charge? Okay, they're not charged, so I'm gonna have to charge them. This is how it looks like. Just, you know, a typical Joy-Con. And this the things on them, like, you know, these not stickers, like I'm not sure what you call them, like the painting. They are not like part of the plastic. They are like kind of like stickers or something, like paint or something. As you can see, how it's a different texture from the plastic itself. So eventually it may rub off. This part actually isn't. This part actually is part of the plastic. So it may be harder to rub off, but this may rub off if I'm not careful with this. So keep that in mind. If you guys ever get these, don't be aggressively doing this because it's gonna rub off. Unless if it's like good paint, but I don't think it is. And now we open the other one to see how it looks like. Alright, and same thing with this. It's just like a sticker of some sort. And let's do a nice long view of it. Alright, that is awesome. So these are the Joy-Cons. But we still have more because I'm very curious about these. Typically, whenever you plug in Joy-Cons to a Nintendo Switch or whatever, it will say paired. And I'm wondering if it's going to be like a blue and a purple one. Indigo, whatever. Like, this is darker, this is light blue, indigo, purple, light blue, dark blue. I don't know what you guys want to call it. That's what I think it is. So let me boot up everything and see how it looks. Alright then, and I have my Nintendo Switch set up. And if we go to controllers and like deplug one of the Joy-Cons, you can see that it's like gray. Yeah, see, like it's a gray color, right? So now let's plug in the new Legend of Zelda Joy-Cons to see what color they are. We're gonna plug this one in. Oh, oh, I'm sort of seeing it on the background. There we go. And let me take a quick look on the thing. It should be to the point where I can actually pair it. Man, that's just kind of weak. Okay, see, it's just a purple controller. And then the other one, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a blue controller. Yeah, see? This is not what I wanted. Okay, so this is what I was suspecting. I was expecting them to, be like the color controller and have like all this fun stuff on the controllers themselves. But I guess since they didn't want to like incorporate that, so it's just the blue controller and the purple controller. And there's one more thing I want to show off, and that's to see how it looks on with the little bracket things. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the little bracket things on them. Not too terribly looking. I mean, they're nice controllers on the new joycons because I was getting pretty tired of, the old ones. These guys with the drift action. And, oh my god, it's just so annoying when you're playing Mario Kart or something and you can't make a turn because it's drifting on you. But thank you for watching. This is not necessarily something I'm, used to doing. This is the first time I did it. And I was just thinking I should probably do my own take on it just because there's some a possibility that somebody's gonna have the same questions I do of like these things show up, the decals, and if they're textured or if they're just painted on, or if it's part of the plastic. So yes, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.